Hello, welcome to the tutorial for adding in a bookshelf to your room. We're going to take a look at the directions first. Number one, the way the directions are explaining to get your bookshelf into your SketchUp room does not work. Reason being, we have an older version, so it's going to tell you to go through the menus up on the top to get to the 3D warehouse, which is where all the furniture is stored. Because our version is SketchUp 8 and it's older, we can no longer do that. So we're actually going to be opening up a Google search, and you're going to type in 3D Warehouse SketchUp.com, or if you just search 3D Warehouse, you will be able to get to this as well. I've also included the link underneath the directions for this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead, and for this assignment we're putting in a bookshelf into our room. So I'm going to look for a bookshelf. Helps if I can spell it. Okay, so what I want to look for is a bookshelf that is empty at this point. And the reason is for this particular assignment you're going to be putting in a component into a component. So I found a bookshelf I like. I'm going to go ahead and hit the download button. I have to click on that picture and I get to this page. So I want to download the SketchUp 8 model. And it's going to go ahead and put that into my downloads folder. I want to go ahead, and it's telling me this is an old version, which is fine. So I'm going to hit OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, save as bookshelf, and I'm actually going to save this to my desktop, but you should save this to your name drive. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's saved. Now I'm going to go to File, Import within my SketchUp file, and I'm going to look for the bookshelf, and then if I import it, it automatically imports whatever I picked. So I have a smaller bookshelf, which is fine, not a huge deal, and I have imported that into my room. Now this is already a component on its own, as you can see, because it's blue, so that's not a big deal either. Because this is so small, I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger, just because I'm going to show you how we can do a component within a component. So I have this in a space that I like, and that's going to work out just nicely. So next step is going to be putting a component within the component.